Hi, I'm Sarah Williams. I'm your English teacher. Today we practice small talk. Listen, repeat, and use it. Speak out loud. Let's start. Hello. Now it's your turn. Repeat. Good job. What's your name? Repeat. Well done. My name is Sarah. Repeat. Well done. Now you. What's your name? Great. Nice to meet you. Now you. Repeat. Well done. Nice to meet you too. Repeat. Well done. How are you? Repeat. Good job. I'm good. Or, I'm fine. Repeat. Well done. Let's do a role play. Speak out loud. Hi. What's your name? Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm fine. Great job. Now let's practice again. Answer me. What's your name? Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm fine. Good job. I'm proud of you. Write one sentence in the comments. Keep practicing. See you next time.